away.
Поставь ее на snow.
She'll go.
She'll go away.
She likes to explore.
You'll be running after her. Gal is good just being outside.
Can you put her on snow?
She wants to go
She's
in the
hiding.
Yeah, she don't want to go in the snow. Come here. Come here. She's like, oh, I go back in the house. See? Now you- I knew that's what would happen. You didn't want wet feet, huh? You better
she's
start
like
running. She's gone. She's like a
she-
rabbit. You better get her.
She's fine. She's fine. She won't run away.
Yes, she will.
Oh, put the Callie.
Callie's like, I don't want to go in there. I don't want to go in there. She's like, screw that.
Put her again, honey.
No, she don't
No,
like it.
please. Please,
like
it's so cute. Just put a little bit further.
You're gonna get further.
Gonna get sick.
Honey, further. She won't get sick. She's fine. She's
She's
funny.
like, she's like, I don't want that. That's no way.
He likes it.
Yeah.
Put me in
You
there.
think she's like a jackrabbit?
No,
me.
because I have to chase her again then.
Put her, but
I just don't want to get his feet wet.
she
They're
won't
already
run
wet.
away. She won't run away that far.
That far. She won't run away that far. Callie's just happy to be out in the porch. She don't want to be in the snow.
Minnie likes it. She's like a rabbit.
Callie's like, I don't want to be in the snow.
Look at her. Callie.
I was like, screw that snow shit. Hi, Callie.
Come here.
You don't have to worry about her running away in the snow. Can't put her in the snow.
Put her on the snow. Let's see.
She didn't care.
Yeah, no, put her.
She's like, oh yeah, this is, oh yeah.
She won't run away far away.
Yeah, right.
Come on, Minnie.
She's like a snow leopard. Minnie's so happy. Come on, Minnie.
Come on, Minnie. Minnie.
She's like, come get me.
Minnie, come on.
It's getting cold. Come get me. She's like,
Minnie.
She's shaking off her leg.
Minnie, come on.
Minnie, come on. Come on, Minnie. There's Cal.